What's up, guys? Let's go fishing, back with another video. So basically we're going to be doing some small creek fishing. The spot that I'm fishing at is right behind my house. And yeah, Tim got one. Here, come show all the YouTube audience or whoever's watching. So literally we're just catching small trout. Here, Tim. River trout. That's a good like 4 inches. Dylan's here, Andrew's here, and Jack's here. So yeah, I'm gonna just place it down, and when we catch a fish, we catch a fish. So we're gonna put it down right there.
Yo, put a few pieces in.
No, that's gonna.
Tiny. And they're gonna get hungry.
No, they're gonna eat. So Dylan's here, and we're literally just putting like the smallest piece of bread on.
My hot dog buns that expired last month.
Yeah, white hot dog buns. So shout out to them
Me.
or Dylan for bringing them.
Go follow my Instagram, Dylan DYLAN .Garrity GARRITY 3.
Yeah. So
Go follow me.
yeah, follow him. Oh, it took mine.
I know, I took mine too. I lost mine.
No, you didn't.
Watch out.
Tyler, hook me up. Gang. Oh my God. Tyler, guys, I just caught a red snapper.
Yeah, let's eat.
Tim just hooked up. Tim, hold on.
That's number 2.
And Andrew!
Andrew got one. Go show.
Chris, no, I'm gonna get killed. Yo, Tyler, help me. Tyler, hold the thing out.
Am I supposed to grab it?
Yeah, grab it. Put it in the water, actually.
Yeah, good idea. I'm better.
Wait, no. Wait, Andrew, you're gonna scare the fish.
Oh, tripled
Tyler,
up.
help me. No, the hook's behind
Guys,
me.
this thing's gonna
Help,
die.
no,
Tim, help me.
quadrant.
Tim, this thing's gonna die.
Oh,
Help me.
quadrant. Andrew, just put it in the water. Yo, is the thing behind me? Is the hook behind me?
Yo, so we just literally just
Tripled up.
tripled up.
I'm gonna quadruple up.
Dylan's gonna quadruple up. Let's see if we can do this.
Not if I don't first.
Yo, he's dying.
Are you
Help
kidding?
me. Yes, please be alive.
Bro, quadruple up.
Yo, I got it.
I had the worst luck ever.
Give me. Yo, we're gonna see if we can quadruple up.
I need
Yo, I hope mine didn't die.
Did not die.
Okay. So we literally just tripled up, which is insane.
Yeah.
So
I cannot keep this on. Can you put it on? I cannot keep it.
So right now we literally just tripled up. I'm gonna get back in there, see if I can get something. Just
You can only curse when you get more popular.
What? Wait, guys, where do you guys catch? I can only curse.
No, if your YouTube channel.
Oh. Bro, dude, I got a little. Bro, were you guys catching? What are you doing? I'm here. No one go here. I got a fish right now. Bro. Yo, I see that. Get away. No one fish here. Tim, it's my fish now. It's my fish.
Team, yo guys, I got picked clean.
It's my fish now.
Really?
Yeah.
There's no one fish here. I'm Thank God. Tyler. Oh, I just found a fish. Oh, wait. I got a fish. Bro, don't take my fish, okay?
Do you guys see any dead fish? That's probably mine.
Okay.
I hooked up.
Alright.
Dude, no, frick you. Dude, you took my fish. Bro, stop taking my fish. I'm not kidding. I'm like, bro, I have a fish on. It took my bait, and he's like, oh.
So, as you guys know, Tim's has 3. I have 2 today
I have
because
one. I have one.
Andrew has 1 for the triple up,
And Dylan has none.
and Dylan,
And Jack has none.
yeah, and Jack has none.
Timmy freaking stole mine.
I didn't steal it. I dropped it.
I was right there. I'm like, please don't steal it.
I dropped it in a hole.
Why?
What happened, Dylan?
It's coming off. Oh, it sucks for you.
So I'm gonna bring amigos along. Alright? Pop socket vlogging in session.
Oh, I see fish. Jack, you got us caught up. It's gonna hook you. Jack, my hook.
Ty, where are we going? Tyler. So Andrew's coming, and yeah, Tyler gets another fish.
Try to catch a fish.
Okay, pause the thing.
Did you catch a fish yet?
No,
Alright, let's go.
and my freaking bait keeps coming off. So annoying. If anyone else of Tyler's subscribers or anyone else is watching, make a video and shout him out. Let's go fishing like 877 or something. Whatever this YouTube channel's called, shout him out. Here should be good. Tyler needs some subs. You got it, man.
Yeah, I saw some bubbles.
Where are they?
Don't We have to go by the bridge.
Sue.
My fish fell off.
Yeah.
Okay, here, give me.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go somewhere.